It's time to scope the you wish. There must be a mistake. Something's hardware. I do it, but I can't. Impossible. I always give everyone exactly what they deserve. Wait, actually, my mistake. I didn't realize that forcing your teammate to still kept you in the game, but pointing out the crime now. What a disgrace. What? We didn't force you to do anything. What's your case? Yep, whatever you say. Yep, those are the words of an independent thinker, all right. You see, so the viewers are carnivorous wolves. They will eat you at the slightest act of rudeness. Oh, and you're still here. Whatever. Just remember who your true friends are, Suitcase. And Mike, remember to listen to your heart. It's funny your damage there.